Mwalimu Ogeke YouTube channel. Today I want to take you through this amazing question, a question that I found that is interesting on probability. The question is that the probability that it rains on a particular day in October is HD. The probability that it rains on a particular day in October is HD, where H is a constant and D is the day of the month. H is a constant and D is the day of the month. So D can be the first day, it can be the second day, it can be the third, the fourth, the fifth, up to, remember October has 31 days. So October having 31 days, October has 31 days. So D can be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to even 31. So that is what the D can be, because the day is the day of the month. Find the probability that it rains on the 15th day of October. We want to find the probability that it will rain on 15th day of October. For it to rain on 15th day of October, it is HD. So it will be 15H. That is the probability from the look of things. The probability that it rains on 15th day, it will be 15H. It will be 15H. But I don't know H. I need to find H. And how can I find H? To find H, you need to know that we have said H equals to constant and D equals to the day of the month. That is day of the month. Now, for me to find H, that is finding H. H being a constant, so the probability that it rains on the first day, the probability that it rains for the first day, it is 1, because the first D will be 1, because it's HD, so it will be 1H. Probability that it rains for the second day, it is 2H. Probability that it rains on the third day, it is 3H. Fourth day, it is 4H. Remember, probability range is between 0. Probability range is between 0 and 1. So, meaning that all probability will add up to 1. So, meaning that 1H plus 2H plus 3H plus 4H plus 31H will be equal to 1. It will be equal to 1 because we have said that the probability range is maximum is 1. It's between 0 and 1. So all these probabilities would add up to 1. That it rains for the 31 days, it will be equal to 1. So if you add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 11 plus up to 31, you add all of them, all those numbers, you will get 496H. This 496H will be equal to 1. So meaning that H will be equal to 1 over 496. So that is the value of H. So the probability that it rains on the 15th day, probability rain on 15th day will be equal to 15H. That is HD. This HD which is equal to 15H, and this will be equal to 15 times H, which is 1 over 496. So the probability equals to 15 over 496. So that is the probability that it rains on the 15th day of the month. So the question now is very simple, but from the word going, when you were reading, it looked very complex. But when interpreting, and if you interpret it correctly, it's a very simple question if you interpret it correctly. Thank you for listening. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel so that you get other updates. Thank you.